What's up, guys? So there is this software which is needed strongly on your computer, and here I have Intel microcode. If your processor is not Intel, you need to see the one for AMD if it's AMD, and do some similar things or steps as I'm doing here, which will be about installing Intel microcode on Gentoo. Okay, so if you are using a source kernel on Gentoo, you enable these options depending on your CPU. If it's Intel, you enable this one. If it's AMD, you enable this one. For the microcode, I believe on some distributions, if I'm not mistaken, it's enabled and installed automatically. And for Gentoo, you select almost everything you install. That's why you need to consider installing the microcode. So to install it, we run this command, and here it says there is the argument now replace, which means it's gonna be put to the system or the world set. Later it's not gonna be deleted whenever you are trying to remove the dependencies that you do not need. Anytime you wanna add a package to the world set, you simply add this argument. Why should you install the microcode? According to Arch Linux Wiki, it says processor manufacturers release stability and security updates to the processor microcode. These updates provide bug fixes that can be critical to the stability of your system. Without them, you may experience spurious crashes or unexpected system halts that can be difficult to track down. So it's something very important to do. And for Gentoo, this is how you're going to do it. Although Gentoo did not talk like that about it, but in general it's the same. Like sometimes you find some details about some stuff on Gentoo wiki, sometimes you find it on Arch wiki, depending on your situation. I'm not going to install it because I have to do a step before, which is mounting my boot partition. If it is not mounted automatically on your system, you have to do this step, and you have to figure out what is the partition for your boot partition, which one it is. In my case, it's /dev/sdi1. So you run this command. Press Y. Yeah, aside from mounting the boot partition, there is another thing that I've forgotten, which is enabling the init run of s use flag. So it says here that it's gonna install a CPIO archive of all microcode into boot. So I'm gonna enable it before I cancel the installation. So in your case, you can do this, or you can ignore it if you want. It's up to you. Package.use. If it's a file for you, if you want to enable it, you just open this and add it. It's not init.run.fs. For me, it's a folder. So I make a file for Intel microcode like this, and then take the full name of the package like this. Copy it and paste it the way you see, and take the use flag that I want to add to it. Save and exit, and then run the installation again. As you can see, the installation that I cancelled is for this month. This month is the 8th, the month I'm recording this, which is August, which means that it's the newest microcode, I guess. So it's updated. Press Y, enter, let it install. So as I said to you, the no replace argument, which is here, that we have set during the installation is gonna put in the world set, which means later it's not gonna be deleted. And now it's the time to generate an init.ramfs for the microcode. I'm not sure if you need to do this, however you can set it in the file. I'm using Dracat, so I'm gonna put it in this configuration file. We make that directory first, and then like this, and then take this early microcode. We run this command as root. Okay, so we need to specify force like this. So it's making the init.ramfs. Our init.ramfs is done. So we run the command grab mkconfig -o/boot /grab/grab.cfg like this. Yes, so you can see that it is with the microcode. And tel-uc, that one, if you can see it, I'm gonna wait, we can wait for it. This one is for the microcode. I guess it means that the init.ramfs and the microcode is ready for the boot. We can double check if you want, so we reboot. So our system is rebooted. To check about the microcode, if it is there or not, update it early. It should be using this command. Okay, so I guess that's it. You have extra methods and ways to handle it, like the manual way to manually generate the microcode. Also, if you use other bootloaders, this is how you can put it to the boot. If you are using Zen, also you put it to your configuration file, and so on. Let's check using this command. Yes, as you can see, it's something very low level, so yeah, I hope it's clear. I will put this in the description. You can go back to it. Let's take this one to verify as well. Yes. Okay, thanks for watching and cheers.